Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I am Bisma Naz here to teach you the subject phonics is foundation. Just have a look on the book. You have to open this book. Okay. So the page number of phonics is 15. The page number is 15. Let's have a look on the board. Here I have captured everything that is printed on the book. Okay, so today we are going to study the middle sound of A. We are going to study the middle sound of A. Just have a look, the middle sound of A, and the sound is A, and the sound is A. You have to open the mouth. The sound is A. What the sound is? A. So the sentence is on the book, and the sentence is, but the bad cat. What the sound is? B-A-D, bad. The middle sound of A. हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? A का middle sound, मतलब ऐसे words जिनके center में A letter आएगा तो वो क्या sound करेंगे, तो उनका sound क्या होगा? So the letter is A and the sound is A. So the word sentence is, but the bad cat. The same word is cat. Sounds A. Sounds A. Just have a look. The cat named as Pat. Here the Pat is. What the Pat is doing? Grabbing the map. From where she is grabbing the map? She is grabbing the map from Sammy. Have a look on Sammy. The Sammy is quite angry here. The Sammy is quite angry here. Right. Because the cat's name is Pat. Pat grabs the map. Pat grabs the map. Just look at this. उसके मुंह में क्या है बच्चों? उसके मुंह में मैप है जो उसने सैमी से ग्रैब किया है. सो ग्रैब्स द मैप. यहाँ पे क्या वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हैं? मिडल साउंड ऑफ ए. ग्रैब और मैप में साउंड क्या दे रहा है? ए साउंड. सो ग्रैब्स द मैप. एंड देन व्हाट शी डिड? द कैट scats. Scats means went away, भाग गई. And the cat scats. Let me repeat it. But the bad cat. The cat is bad. But the bad cat. Pat. The name of cat is Pat. Pat grabs the map. From where she grabs the map? From Sammy. That's why Sammy is angry here. That's why Sammy is angry here, standing angry. So Pat grabs the map and scats. Scats means went out, went away. Leaves the Sammy alone. मतलब Pat ने Sammy से मैप को ग्रैब किया and leaves Sammy alone. और सैमी को अकेले छोड़ के क्या किया? भाग गई. ओके, गॉट इट? लेट मी रिपीट द लाइन. यू हैव टू रिपीट इट. बट द बैड कैट पैट ग्रैब्स द मैप. बट द बैड कैट पैट ग्रैब्स द मैप एंड scats. But the word bad sounds as A sound. Okay, तो आज आपको A sound पता लग गया. So thank you for today.